Hello everyone, today's going to be a quick video and I'm just going to be showing you how to turn on VOX or voice automated communication. So basically whenever I talk loud enough the radio transmits, and it's going to be for the BF-888S. Now there's no screen obviously, so you have to use these programming buttons or function buttons as I like to call them. So basically you want to turn it on between channels 1 through 5, and this VOX will only work on channels 1 through 5 for some reason. Yeah, so you want to turn it on while pushing down on the top function button. Now when you do turn it on, it should say VOX on, but I already have it on, so you didn't hear that. Hope this makes sense, and thank you for watching.